All gasoline engines accumulate carbon deposits. These deposits can rob your engine of power by reducing fuel efficiency. They also increase emissions. The TerraClean Engine Decarbonizing Service uses a unique patented process to remove carbon deposits from the injector all the way through to the tailpipe. A TerraClean service will clean fuel injectors, engine valves, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converters. If your vehicle is experiencing rough idle, slow acceleration, reduced fuel economy, or your vehicle simply does not feel to be performing to your expectations, a TerraClean Decarbonizing Service will help. By adding the TerraClean Decarbonizing Service to your regular maintenance schedule every 24,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers, you can expect to restore the original power, performance, and fuel mileage of your vehicle. Ask if it's time for a TerraClean Fuel System Decarbonizing Service.